Today, we have a special guest, Chuck Dorgan of MicroDrones, based out of Rome, New York. Today, Chuck and I are going to talk about the construction industry and how UAV drones can have a positive impact on a contractor and how they do business, how they can create safer work environments and improve efficiencies. But before we get into today's topic, I want to introduce Chuck. Chuck, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you very much, Bill. Appreciate you inviting me here. I'm the sales director for the United States for MicroDrones. We are a full solutions provider for both mapping, surveying, structural inspection, and precision agriculture. So we don't just make airframes, we provide systems, solutions to our customers. We're trusted by over 1,000 different customers worldwide. We have locations in Germany, France, Montreal, and here in New York. So that's MicroDrones.
And I can be a little testimony here for Chuck. They do a great job, and we've been working together for some time. Today's topic, this technology and construction. Chuck, in your opinion, do you think there's a fit, some synergy between these two industries?
Absolutely. Little be known, it's the second fastest growing industry or segment for MicroDrones is the construction industry, and we focus on a couple different areas there. One, mapping and surveying. Throughout the whole project of a construction site, you can go in and map and survey that area without having to put survey ground crew in harm's way of heavy equipment or on piles for volume calculations. That's one of the applications. The second one is structural inspection. So rather than having your employees climb structures to do inspections on things, you can fly a drone and you can get some amazing detail right down to the threads on a bolt or a serial number you can see with our drones flying them. So there's a couple different things that those construction companies are using.
I agree, and I think this technology could be a terrific asset for folks in the construction industry. Again, creating that safer work environment for their employees, for their field contractors or field workers, and improving efficiencies, which means a reduced bottom line or a better bottom line, which is always important and something to keep an eye on. So I agree, and I think this technology could play a role with helping contractors now and into the future. Recently, I did reach out to a few of my contractors just to see if they're currently utilizing this technology, and I'll tell you, not many are, but they're all very interested. So this is something that we're going to be keeping our eye on.
It's coming quick.
Yeah. Speaking of keeping our eye on it, anything we should be looking forward to seeing come out of MicroDrones in the near future?
Yeah, so for 2017, we have a couple different packages that we're going to be releasing. LiDARs being one. Huge demand for LiDAR. There's a lot of folks that, especially in the mapping and surveying world, really can't wait for this, and we're going to be offering two different packages for that. Another one is laser methane gas detection system, which our utility partners are really interested in using. So those are the two main things coming out in 2017, but we're continuously growing and continuously offering more packages.
Terrific. We're going to post Chuck's information, so if you have any questions or comments for him, you'll be able to reach directly out to Chuck. Thank you for coming in today.
Thank you very much for having me.
I'm Bill Neely with One Group's construction team. We'll see you next time.